Hello guys, how to fix if mouse loading icon not removing in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and this mouse icon is still on your Windows screen. Then if you want to remove this, follow these steps, and the first step is restart Windows Explorer process. Go to Task Manager, under Process tab, right click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart option. Also look for a spooler process. Type a spool in search box and a spooler subsystem app and other a spool related process end task, and check if your mouse loading icon is removed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is disable fingerprint device. If you installed in your system, open device manager. Here go to human interface devices, expand it and right click on your fingerprint devices and disable it. Also go to mic and other pointing devices and update mouse driver to fix this issue. Expand it, right click on your mouse, add a driver and choose update driver, choose search automatically for drivers, and your mouse loading icon will successfully